Okay, let's take a look at the installation process for the Philmac UTC fitting. Now for this demonstration, I'll do a transition between a 1/2-inch galv and a 1 1/4 inch PEX pipe. This fitting can be used on any number of different materials, PVC, copper, galv, and PE, and transition to different types of material at the other end as well. You'll need a wrench to tighten the nut, and it'll be useful to have a pen or a marker that you can witness mark the pipe. First step is to ensure that there are about 3 threads showing on the fitting. Then take your pipe and witness mark it. The reason for this is to ensure that you get the correct insertion depth. So line the pipe up against the fitting. You can see there is a stop mark on the fitting body near the flange. Line it up against that and mark the pipe. Now, this doesn't have to be 100% accurate because the mark is beyond the seal, but try to get it as accurate as possible. Then insert the pipe into the fitting up to the witness mark. Tighten the nut by hand and do the final tightening with a wrench. It doesn't require force, just a firm twist to ensure it's fully tightened. You'll notice here that the witness mark has come back, but that's fine. It's because the nut has been tightened. The important point is, the pipe has gone past the internal seal. That is the installation process for the UTC fitting.